Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel Le Rythme Français. So today in this video, I'm going to tell you about the second form of this program, which is the EFI form, and I'm going to tell you, and my team, we have prepared the whole list of documents that you need to upload. We have been getting so many doubts on this form. So this is like the part two of the video that we have made before. Before in the previous video, I've told how to fill form 1 of Assist the Only program. Now in this video I'm going to tell you about the second video. So what are we waiting for? Let's start. But before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. So here we go. Voila. Sorry. Okay, so let's start. See, as I've already told you that you need to go on this website, which is ifiindia.in/assistadongle. Then you click on apply here. This page will be opened, and then you scroll down a little bit, and then you find the etapde. That means your second form that you need to fill. Okay, guys, this is the second form. So two forms. We need to fill two forms for this program. The first one is the France Education International that we have already filled before, and this is the second one, which is the form of Institut Français India. This is a Google form, guys. So once you have filled the first form, this is the second step. Please hear me out. This is the second step. I've been getting so many queries. You don't need to submit the first form anywhere. You need to submit the first form in the second form. So I'll show you how. Once you have done the first form, you have saved the first form with yourself in your laptop. Then what are the documents you need? Okay, I'll be telling you. You need to fill that form here in this is the Google form. Okay, you need to attach the first form in this Google form. That is it. You don't have to submit the first form anywhere. So what is the first thing? Acte de naissance. Acte de naissance is your birth certificate. Try to have your name on the birth certificate, otherwise it is a problem. It becomes a problem in the later stage. If not, then you can submit the birth certificate without the name, but I would suggest you to have the name. Then scan your passport. That means a passport scan. Photograph, it's a passport size photograph. Carte d'inscription en cours. So many of you, like I don't even have the counting. Many of you are said, what is the carte d'inscription en cours? See guys, you were supposed to be a student before applying to this program, right? So you need to attach your bona fide certificate in this one. Okay, you need to have a student status, and you need to have a bona fide certificate for this one. So carte d'inscription en cours is your bona fide certificate, is the proof of your student status. Then diplôme de licence is your graduation certificate. In case you are not a graduate yet, you can attach your mark sheet. That's fine. Relève de note, again it is a note universitaire, so you need to attach your mark sheet to it, right? Then attestation de Delft, it is the Delft attestation, the Delft certificate. Okay, and it is just the final Delft certificate without the marks. In the next one, the 8th point, relevé des notes du Delft. Now in this one, you need to add the marks of your Delft exams. Okay, so this is the marks, and on the 7th point, it is just the certificate. Then IELTS attestation, you need to have IELTS academic. Many of you have asked if it's academic or general. It is IELTS academic 7.5 minimum to be eligible for this program. Okay, so IELTS 7.5, you attach the mark sheet, you attach the proof. In case your results are not out yet, you can attach the receipt. Okay, or maybe the admit card of the IELTS exam. Maybe if you have it, you can you can also show them the screenshot of the date your exam is booked. For the date your exam is booked, it is, I think it's a screenshot. You can take the screenshot of the mail Okay, so it's all right. So you just need to prove to them that you have given. Okay, you have taken the IELTS exam, or you will be taking the IELTS exam, or the results are not out, that you have registered yourself. Okay, so you need to give them the proof. Then Formulaire France Education Internationale. Now, this is the first form that you have already filled. So you keep attaching the files in this form, and then you fill the form, and then see, here are 8 pages. You attach the files, and then at the end, the 10th document is your first form. You attach that form, and simply you submit the form. You don't have to do anything else. It's as simple. So it's the birth certificate, the passport scan, your photograph, the proof of your student status, diplôme de licence is your graduation certificate, your mark sheet, DELF attestation, the marks of your DELF exam, DELF B1 guys, okay, DELF B1. IELTS Academic 7.5, and then your first form. As simple as that. Once you are done, you submit the form, and there is nothing else to be done. And you are on your way, and then wait till the results are out. And I know that each one of you will get selected. Don't worry, guys. If you meet the eligibility, you will be selected. All the best from my whole team of LRF, and I hope you have a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. Tell your friends, tell your families to subscribe the channel. Please, please, please follow us on Instagram at learn_French_LRF. If you still have any doubts regarding this program or for French in general, or you need a career counseling in French, then you can contact us via email, which is leritmefrancais@gmail.com, and you can find the email in the description below as well. See you. Au revoir. Stay safe. Stay happy.